Episode 13, Percy's Trucks. One day, Percy was resting at the shed when Sir Topham Hatt arrived. Percy, Oliver isn't feeling good and he was supposed to take a goods train from the harbor this morning, so I need you to take it for him. Yes, sir, you can count on me, said Percy, and he puffed away. Soon enough, Percy had arrived at the docks and was coupled onto the train. The guard blew his whistle, and Percy was off. Along the way, he saw Thomas. Hey, Thomas, can you help me pull these trucks for me? Sure, said Thomas. He quickly switched to the other line and got coupled up, and they puffed away. However, the trucks were very mischievous and decided to play a trick on the two engines. As soon as they got over the hill, they pushed them down the hill. Stop! Cried Thomas and Percy, but they were going way too fast. They neared the bend up ahead. Trevor was terrified and quickly ran for cover, and Thomas and Percy crashed off the bend in slow motion. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Thomas and Percy, along with the 3 front cars of the goods train, had came off the track. Sorry, Thomas, said Percy. It's okay. It wasn't our fault. It was always those stupid trucks. Yeah. Don't worry. The cranes will come and will get us to the works in no time. Soon Thomas and Percy were put back on the tracks and taken to the steamworks. Don't worry, my friends, said Victor. We'll have you repaired in no time. Yeah, said Kevin. Oh, Kevin. Sorry, boss. Well, that's the end of the story. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned.